Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, The Health Assembly. Today, we're diving into a topic that can transform your weight management journey, boosting your metabolism overnight. Metabolism plays a crucial role in how your body converts food into energy, and a faster metabolism can help you burn more calories, even while you sleep. This is especially important for those looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight. In this video, we'll share practical and actionable tips that you can easily incorporate into your nightly routine. From dietary choices to lifestyle adjustments, these strategies are designed to rev up your metabolism while you catch those Z's. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the science behind metabolism, but also walk away with simple yet effective methods to enhance it overnight. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to a more efficient metabolism and wake up feeling lighter and more energized, stick around. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Tip 1. Hydrate with cold water. Did you know that drinking cold water can give your metabolism a little boost? This phenomenon is known as thermogenesis, where your body burns calories to heat the cold water to body temperature. Studies suggest that drinking about 500 milliliters of cold water can increase your metabolic rate by approximately 30% for about 30 to 40 minutes. To maximize this effect, try drinking cold water first thing in the morning or before meals. This not only helps kickstart your metabolism, but can also make you feel fuller, potentially reducing your overall calorie intake. Additionally, consider replacing sugary drinks like sodas and juices with cold water. Not only will this help you cut down on empty calories, but it will also keep you hydrated and energized throughout the day. So grab a glass of cold water and toast to a healthier metabolism. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results, and staying hydrated is a simple yet effective step in your weight management journey. Tip 2. Get a good night's sleep. Quality sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism. When you skimp on sleep, your body's hormonal balance can be disrupted, leading to increased levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. This can slow down your metabolism and make it harder to lose weight. In fact, studies show that sleep deprivation can lead to a decrease in insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for effective energy use. To improve your sleep quality, consider establishing a calming bedtime routine. This could include activities like reading, meditating, or gentle stretching to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Creating a dark, cool sleeping environment is also vital. Aim for a room temperature between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 20 degrees Celsius and use blackout curtains to block out any light. By prioritizing quality sleep, you'll not only enhance your metabolic health, but also wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Remember, a well-rested body is a more efficient one. Tip 3. Incorporate protein-rich foods. Including protein-rich foods in your diet is a powerful way to boost your metabolism. This is due to the thermic effect of food, TEF, which refers to the energy your body uses to digest, absorb, and process nutrients. Protein has a higher thermic effect compared to fats and carbohydrates, meaning your body burns more calories when processing protein. Some excellent sources of protein include chicken, fish, eggs, legumes, and dairy products. Not only do these foods help increase your metabolic rate, but they also play a crucial role in muscle building. More muscle mass means a higher resting metabolic rate, allowing you to burn more calories even when you're not active. To maximize these benefits, aim to include a source of protein in every meal. Whether it's adding grilled chicken to your salad or incorporating beans into your stir-fry, making protein a staple in your diet can significantly enhance your metabolism and support your weight management goals. So let's get cooking with protein. Tip 4. Spice it up. Did you know that adding spices to your meals can give your metabolism a little kick? Certain spices, like cayenne pepper and ginger, are known for their thermogenic properties, which can help increase your metabolic rate. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, a compound that can elevate your body temperature and promote calorie burning. Similarly, ginger has been shown to improve digestion and may also enhance metabolic function. The great news is that these spices can be easily incorporated into your everyday cooking. Sprinkle cayenne pepper on your roasted vegetables, or add fresh ginger to your smoothies and stir-fries for an extra zing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spices in your meals. From turmeric to cinnamon, there are countless options that not only add flavor, but also provide health benefits. So, spice up your dishes and enjoy the added bonus of boosting your metabolism. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Only 3 more tips to go. We're a new channel, and you being here means a lot to us. So if you are enjoying this video and have learned something new, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel so that we can continue to provide more health and body insights each week. Now for tip number 5. Engage in high-intensity interval training. HIIT. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a fantastic way to boost your metabolism and burn calories efficiently. This workout style involves alternating between short bursts of intense exercise and periods of rest or lower intensity activity. The best part? You can easily do HIIT at home with minimal equipment, using exercises like jumping jacks, burpees, or sprints. One of the standout benefits of HIIT is the afterburn effect, also known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. After a high IT session, your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate as it works to recover, which can lead to significant calorie burning even hours after your workout. To get started, try incorporating just 15 to 20 minutes of HIIT into your weekly routine. You can mix and match exercises to keep it fun and engaging. Remember, it's all about those short bursts of effort, so push yourself during those intervals and enjoy the metabolic boost that follows. Tip 6. Drink green tea. Green tea is not just a refreshing beverage, it's also a powerful ally in boosting your metabolism. The secret lies in its high concentration of catechins, a type of antioxidant that can enhance fat oxidation and increase your metabolic rate. Research suggests that drinking green tea can help your body burn more fat, especially during exercise, making it an excellent addition to your weight management strategy. For optimal benefits, consider drinking green tea in the morning or before workouts. This timing can help maximize its fat-burning effects and provide a gentle energy boost without the jitters often associated with coffee. Speaking of coffee, if you're looking for a healthier alternative, green tea is a fantastic choice. It contains less caffeine than coffee, but still offers a nice pick-me-up along with numerous health benefits. So, swap out that cup of coffee for a soothing cup of green tea and enjoy the metabolism-boosting properties it has to offer. Your body will thank you. Tip 7. Stay active. Throughout the day. While structured workouts are important, staying active throughout the day is equally crucial for boosting your metabolism. Incorporating movement into your daily routine can significantly enhance calorie burning and improve overall health. Simple activities like taking short walks, standing while working, or even doing household chores can make a big difference. Breaking long periods of sitting is particularly beneficial. Research shows that prolonged sitting can slow down your metabolism and increase the risk of various health issues. By standing up and moving around every hour, you can keep your metabolism engaged and promote better circulation. To make staying active more enjoyable, find activities that you love. Whether it's dancing, gardening, or playing with your kids, engaging in fun activities will make it easier to incorporate movement into your day. Remember, every little bit counts. So, take the stairs instead of the elevator, go for a walk during lunch breaks, and look for opportunities to keep moving. Your body will thank you for it. There you have it. We've explored several effective tips for boosting your metabolism, which is essential for weight management and overall health. Now it's time to put these tips into action. By implementing these simple yet powerful strategies, you can start seeing immediate results in your energy levels and weight management efforts. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these health tips. Together, we can all work towards a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.